Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. And one of the more confusing problems espresso machine owners sometimes encounter is when the machine becomes stuck in steam mode, meaning it stays too hot for brewing and produces either extremely hot water, steam bursts, or unstable brewing conditions that make proper espresso extraction almost impossible. A situation that often makes people think the entire temperature system has failed, when in reality, the issue usually comes down to a small number of components responsible for controlling temperature and steam pressure inside the machine. To understand why this happens, it helps to know that espresso machines operate within two very different temperature ranges. One for brewing espresso, which typically sits around 90 to 96 degrees Celsius, and another much higher temperature for producing steam, which usually exceeds 120 degrees Celsius, so the machine can generate the pressure required for milk frothing. And because these two modes require such different temperatures, the machine relies on thermostats, temperature sensors, pressure switches, or PID controllers to switch between them and maintain the correct conditions inside the boiler. When everything is working correctly, the system raises the boiler temperature when steam mode is activated and then lowers it again when returning to brewing mode. But if the temperature control system fails, the machine may remain stuck in the high temperature steam state, which causes water to flash into steam as it exits the group head, producing sputtering, unstable flow and burnt or bitter espresso because the brewing water is far too hot. One of the most common causes of this problem is a faulty thermostat or temperature sensor that incorrectly reports the boiler temperature to the control system. And if the sensor becomes damaged, coated in scale, or disconnected electrically, the machine may believe the boiler is cooler than it actually is, causing the heating element to remain active and pushing the boiler temperature far above the proper brewing range. Another common source of the issue is the steam valve itself, which controls the release of steam from the boiler, because if the valve becomes clogged with mineral deposits or the internal seals wear out, it may not close properly, allowing steam pressure to remain active in the system even when the machine should be returning to brewing mode. Scale buildup is again a hidden contributor in many machines because mineral deposits inside the boiler or around temperature sensors can interfere with accurate heat transfer and measurement, meaning the machine receives incorrect temperature feedback and continues heating unnecessarily. In more advanced machines, the problem may also originate from the electronic control board or PID controller that regulates temperature cycling, since these systems depend on accurate sensor data and electrical relays to control the heating element. And if the control logic fails, the boiler may remain locked in steam temperature. Diagnosing a machine stuck in steam mode, therefore, requires looking at the system as a balance between heat generation, temperature measurement, and pressure release, checking whether the thermostat or sensor is reading correctly, ensuring the steam valve closes completely, verifying that the heating element shuts off when brewing temperature is reached, and inspecting the boiler for scale that could disrupt temperature control, because once the machine can properly regulate its heat again, it will return to the stable brewing conditions necessary for good espresso extraction. Understanding these temperature systems not only helps you solve the immediate problem, but also explains why espresso machines require such careful control of heat and pressure in the first place. Because espresso is extremely sensitive to temperature changes, and even small deviations can dramatically alter flavor, which is exactly the kind of practical machine knowledge we focus on here at BrewFix to help coffee enthusiasts, baristas, cafe owners, and aspiring technicians understand how their equipment works, diagnose problems with confidence, and keep their espresso machines running smoothly so every shot is brewed at the correct temperature instead of being ruined by runaway steam heat.